the screen say yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to start this beautiful chapter called Human Eye and Colorful World. Very, very important chapter it is. Yes, very, very, very important chapter. And we'll come to this human eye at the later stage because human eye, a little bit of biology is also involved. Yes, we need to look into that iris, pupil, retina, so many types of cone cells, rod cells. So human eye will come to that. But always we are fascinated about this colorful world, no, dear children? So the colorful world around us, it's very fascinating. It's wonderful. Yeah, it's wonderful, and always it has become fascinating for us. So let us try to understand a little bit of colorful world around us. Are you excited for this journey, dear children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you for your great response. And there is a great opening for this chapter. The name of the chapter is Human Eye and Colorful World. So everybody is going to use so many colors in this. So everybody put the heading Human Eye and Colorful World. Human Eye and Colorful World. All right, dear children. Human Eye and Colorful World. Now look at this. There is a phenomena called refraction, right, dear children? Have you heard the phenomena called refraction? Yeah,
Yes.
you have heard about this, no? Refraction. You have heard. Refraction means it is the bending of ray of light when it travels from one medium to another medium. All that refractive index and all. Now look at this. It bends. Now if I say this speed is v1 and this speed is v2, which speed is bigger one and which speed is lesser one? Tell me. You have
V1
studied
is
all those things. Yeah, V1 is of course greater than V2, right? So because it is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium, all those basics. Now it may be traveling like this also. Yes or no? Now it is bending away from the normal, and here it is bending towards the normal. All those things studied or not?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yes, sir.
Yes
Sir.
or no? So all those things are known to you. Okay, refraction is known to you. But what happens due to this refraction? Now, whatever this refraction happens, due to that, see, I don't want any disturbance here, children. Be responsible, act responsibly. Yes, there are some natural phenomena which happens due to refraction. Some natural phenomena due to refraction, they happen. Due to refraction, they happen. So let us try to see those natural phenomena, what happens to refraction. Is that clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah?
sir.
Sir.
Okay, all right. The first thing what we are going to study regarding this refraction, natural phenomena due to refraction is the first one is like twinkling of stars. Have you seen the stars twinkle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Twinkling
sir.
of stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Everybody must have sung that song. So twinkling of stars. Why do stars twinkle? So let us. Are you thinking like why they twinkle? You are going to learn about that. Now look at this. Now we have our beautiful Earth here. Yes, we have our. Why I'm writing it green? You guys know this. So this is the beautiful Earth. What we have here. All right, dear children. So here we have our Earth. Now, where are the stars? Stars are very far away, right? Stars are at a very far distance. Now, any star is here. For example, a star is here. Okay, let me draw it with the black color only so that it is visible to everyone. Okay, all right. A star is there here. A star looks like this or no? No, sir, it looks different. Okay, a star is here. All right. Is it like very near or very far?
Far.
Far,
Very
sir.
far, right? Yeah, very far and very big also it is. Okay. Now what happens? Whatever environment we have here, no, from star to earth, this is the star here. From star to earth, is it like only one kind of environment is there, or a different kind of environment is there?
Different.
Different kind
Different,
of
sir.
environment, right? This you have a troposphere, mesosphere, all those things, different layers are there. If you go to very far away, it is, you cannot imagine, you cannot predict what kind of environment it is. It is a very different level of environment is there. So that's why what is happening when these stars are, these are producing light, these produce light, okay? These stars are the source of light. They produce light, source of light they are. Just like sun we have, no? So sun is a source of light, no? Like that, stars are also source of light. When this light enters into the atmosphere, no? So this won't come in a straight line and reaches us. Okay, it's not possible. If there is only one medium, they would have come in straight line and they would have reached us. But that is not possible here because there is a different kinds of medium here. So that's why what happens, this light, no, it undergoes different kinds of refraction like this, dear children. A boy is standing here on the earth's surface and he's looking at the stars with his eyes wide open. Now light has reached his eyes like this. Correct? Light has done all this. I mean, what kind of things happen here? We don't know. I mean, I'm guessing this, and it has reached here. Now, what is the property of his eyes, dear children? Now, property of his eyes is like, now whatever ray of light has reached him, no, this last ray of light, whatever it has reached him. So, in that ray of light only, he has to extend it back now to see the star. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now his eyes don't know that ray of light is coming like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. It is coming. He don't know. Yes or no? Because that capacity is not there. Whatever comes, that human eye just retraces it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
So it retraced back. Now where that boy is seeing the star now? Tell me, dear children. Where that boy is seeing the star now? That for that boy, the star will be visible here. Clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, sometimes is it like, I mean, all the time light will be coming like that only? No. Sometimes the light may reach like this also. Now look at this, it may reach like this also. Now if he extend all, I mean, all this ray of light state, last ray of light, whatever has reached, if he extends, now where the star will be visible, tell me. Now the star will be visible here, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Look at this. Here the star will be visible or not. Try to understand this and try to write it in a proper way so that everything is understood. Okay. Fine, dear children.
Yes, sir.
Star will be visible here, no? But what is the real position of star? This one, this one. Here it is there, no? So this one is called real position of the star, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes or no? Real position of star. Now, how about this position and this position, whatever I have taken, those positions are called apparent position. Okay, in the next page, I am going to write that. So, what are those positions? Whatever ticked are there, they are called as apparent position, apparent position. Okay, this is not the word used in your NCERT textbook, but this is a real word, apparent position. You understand apparent position means false position. False position. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they are not there. I mean, their real position is there. Now, this boy is on the earth. He's looking at the star. Sometimes the star looks here. Sometimes the star looks here. Sometimes he sees the star here. Now, this is called twinkling effect. Clear, dear children? Yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood? Clear? Is it crystal clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please no disturbance and all. Okay, you can draw beautiful stars and all. I cannot draw these stars. Okay, otherwise I'll just draw a star like this. Okay, can I draw the star like this, dear children?
Yes,
So look at this. This is like twinkling. As you want, you can draw. Okay, you can draw the stars. You can make beautiful picture of this. Yes or no? One poster, so that we can put it in our classroom. How you can make? I'm giving you idea how you can make in the big card sheet. This page is like card sheet for you. This big card sheet. Now you make beautiful earth here on one corner. Okay, and you make one boy stand here. Okay, you make yourself stand here. Now you draw one star as you want with colorful stars and all, however you want to draw it. Okay, draw it. Then after that, you send the ray of light with zigzag lines like that. You send the ray of light like this, and here the ray of light is coming now. Now this boy is extending this ray of light like this, and he's seeing the star here. Yes. Now one more ray of light, you send it like this. Okay, and ray of light is reaching here. Now you send it back, and here you are seeing the star. Then you take this you position one, and position 2 and position 3. Position 1 means you write it as a real position of star. Okay. Second one you write false position. Third one you write false position or apparent position. Okay. Then you write one statement, twinkling of stars. Twinkling of stars is due to atmospheric refraction. Will you do this project, dear children? Will you do this in a card sheet?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Please do it. Let's see. I mean, who will do it more attractive? Yeah. And the concept also becomes clear, no? Okay, all right. So let's come back to this. So did you understand this whole concept of twinkling of stars?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, dear children. So if one more question is asked, why do stars twinkle? Why do stars twinkle? Okay, they'll ask you. So you have heard the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, right? So tell me, my dear children, you have reached 10th standard now. Why do stars twinkle? Then what you have to say? Stars, for 1 mark if it is asked, you have to say stars twinkle due to atmospheric refraction. It is refraction only, but it is happening in atmosphere. No, that's why you have to say due to atmospheric refraction. Is it clear? Will you write this if it comes in the exam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, if they ask you the same question, why do stars twinkle? And same question here, why do stars twinkle? Why do stars twinkle? And explain. Explain. Write this question also. Okay. Why do stars twinkle? Why do stars twinkle? Question mark and explain. How many marks it will be having? 3 marks, no? Yes. Then will you write the answer for this, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the answer for this? Definitely the answer for this will start like, tell me. Stars twinkle due to, write down this. Nothing will happen if you write it twice. Yeah. Stars twinkle due to
Atmospheric
past and past.
refraction.
Yeah, please write that. Please fill that atmospheric refraction. Then write explanation. Okay. In explanation, better thing is like diagram. You put it diagram, then explain. Okay. Will you draw the diagram here? Whatever I have drawn, beautiful diagram. Will you draw Earth? Yes, a boy here. Without boy also is fine. One star here. Then I mean it is refracting and all. Now you extend it back. Here star is there. And here you extend it back, star is there, one more ray. Yes, then you can explain this, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the explanation? That is the diagram. And what is the explanation you are going to give here? First point you are going to write here, light from stars travel a big distance. Travel a large distance. This is the first point. Okay. Next, in this process, it undergoes multiple refraction. Can I say like that? In this process, it undergoes multiple refractions. Correct? Yes or no? It undergoes multiple refraction. Then you are going to say at different times, different intensity of light. Different intensity. Yes, intensity also changes. Different intensity of light and different ray of light. Different intensity of light and different direction of light reaches us. Different direction of light reaches us. If something is like, sometimes it is sending more light, sometimes it is sending less light, means it looks twinkling, no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? At a different time, this is a very, very important point, whatever I have given here. At different times, different intensity of light and different direction of light reaches us. Correct? So then I'm going to write, so stars twinkle. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now you are looking at me. For example, I'm wearing a one Jinchak colorful shirt. Sometimes it is sending more color, sometimes less color. Sometimes more color, sometimes less color. So do I look shining? Do I look twinkling or not?
No, sir.
No, I mean we look twinkling. No, I mean because of that. I mean if more color, less color, and it is sending. Have you seen the mirror and all? They will be shining. No, due to different difference in the intensity of light. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah. Same is the case with stars. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, dear sir. So shall I go for next thing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So second thing, it is not there in your syllabus. Still, I should tell you, or I should go for another syllabus, whatever is there in syllabus. Look at this, okay? Look at this. Understand this, okay? This is not there in our syllabus, but still understand. This is there in 12th class. What is this? By looking at this, what do you feel? This is, I mean, I'm saying it is a glass. Is it a glass? No, sir, it is not a glass. It is a bucket. Will you say, okay, whatever it is. In this, water is there, dear children. Okay, already I have explained this. Okay, in this, water is there. Now you have put one coin here. Here is the coin. Now, if any ray of light is going like this, for example, it is completely filled with water. So let us take it as completely filled with water. Completely it is filled. Okay. Now, if any ray of light is going from this place, now what happens to this? Tell me. Will it bend towards the normal or away from the normal? Away from the normal, no? Because denser to rarer, it goes like this, no? Yes or no? Now another, yes. Now another ray of light, it is also, I mean, going like this. It also bends away from the normal, no, like this. Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
don't bother about the normal and all. Now your eyes are seeing these rays of light. These are your eyes, very big eyes. Okay, just I mean, actually, how I mean, is it like a glass is this much big? No, right? I mean, according to size of your eyes, you can see at it. No, so like that, if you're saying where your these rays of light are retraced back, it is reaching your eye here. This is your reaching your eye here, so it will be sent back. No, these rays of light will be sent back. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So these will be sent back. When you send them back, they come and they meet here. No, I mean straight line. They will come and they will meet here. No. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, where the coin will be visible if they are meeting here, coin will be visible here or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So what is this? This is called as what?
Refraction. Real position. Real position.
And what about this position?
Apparent position.
Apparent position or false position? Clear?
Yes,
So what? I mean, shall I rub these eyes? There is no need of these eyes, no? From now onwards, there is no need of eyes, no? Yes or no? Then give me if you don't use your eyes. Okay. All right. So this is like raising of a coin. Raising of a coin. Raising of a coin in water. Yes or no? Whenever you see it in water, the coin seems to be raised. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Now, if somebody asks you, whenever you see a coin in water, it seems to be raised. Why? If they're asking you why, then tell me, dear children. Please tell me now. What will you say? Can you say this, whatever I have written here?
Due to refraction.
Yeah, then you are not saying. Yes, it is like due to refraction. Okay, you can explain all these concepts to your brothers. Those who are in 6th standard, 7th standard, you can just explain them. Okay. Yeah, fine.
Yes, sir.
All right. Fine. Shall I go to next thing now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now there is something called delayed sunrise, early sunrise, and delayed sunset. What is the third phenomenon we are going to observe? early sunrise, very, very important is early sunrise, and delayed sunset. Let me explain this third phenomenon. Early sunrise and delayed sunset. Okay, in one diagram only I'm going to explain everything here. Now, here I have got our beautiful earth. Okay, here is the earth we have. Earth, beautiful earth, mother earth. From earth only we get everything. This body is also piece of earth. From where have you gathered this body, dear children? Have you gathered this body from God or from earth? I mean, God means listeners. From the earth only you have captured everything, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So this is there with us for some time. We give back to earth only, no? For maybe for 70 years, 80 years, 100 years, it is there with us. And when time is over, where we give this body to? We give this body to earth only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, till the time we give this body to earth, mother earth, we should just maintain it in a proper way. All right? Mind, body, everything. Okay, fine. Now what happens? This earth we have taken, no? So this is like horizon. This is a horizon, for example. This is a line here. Okay, and it is towards the east, no? This direction is like east, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And that side we have west there. Okay, now sun is coming here. Sun is male or female? I don't know. Sun usually we refer to as male god, no? So now female, they will protest. Why sun male, sir? Why not female? Yes, Sanjana, tell me, sun is male or female?
Male, sir.
How do you know? I mean, we don't know, right? In all serials and all, you must have you must have seen this. Okay, all right. Anyway, let's not discuss about that now. So sun is there. Now, what is happening? Sun, whenever he is sending lots of rays of light here. No. Now, what happens? Now here, what is happening here is now this ray of light when it is coming. No. So it won't reach in a straight way. I mean, he's trying to send these rays of light there. Now these rays of light, what happened? No, I mean they start from here and they reach to us like this reach due to atmospheric refraction. Now a boy is standing here. He's standing here. The rays of light reach to us like this only. Yes, because due to what? Due to refraction. Look at this. This acts like rarer medium. No, near sun. I mean, molecules are all heated up and ions are produced. No, so they are like away. So this is like rarer medium. When you come to Earth's surface, there are so many water droplets. There is so much of oxygen. There is so much of carbon dioxide. There is so much of dust and all. No, so this is acting like a denser medium. No, this all Earth atmosphere.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now definitely refraction is going to happen, and refraction has happened like this. Now this boy, how will he send the rays of light? Will he be sending it back in the same way? No, right? So how he sends it? He sends in a straight line, no, like this. Yes or no? He sends these rays of light, whatever he have reached, he sends in the straight line, no, like this. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. I mean, he don't know that rays of light are coming like this and sun is there. No. He won't understand. His optic nerves, his eye, and the kind of has got, he has very straight thinking. Human being should have straight thinking. I mean, whatever ray of light has reached here, no, he will just send it back here like this, a straight line. Now, where the sun is appearing? Sun is appearing here, no? Now, don't say like sun has become small. Okay, sun has become small. Don't say me like that. Sun has become black. Okay, okay, don't say me like that. Now, what is this position, dear children?
Real position, sir.
Yeah. Oh, very good, very nice. You have become. And what is this?
Apparent position.
Yes or no? Apparent position. Now it is like 7:50 here. Now sun, I mean sun won't come at 7:50. I mean check the sunrise. Okay, take the sunrise time tomorrow's. For example, 6:50 is here. 6:50 is here. At 6:50 he is here, but 6:50 we are able to see him above the horizon. Correct, no? Yeah. Tell me, is it like early or delay? Tell me, is it like early sunrise or delayed sunrise? Early sunrise, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the reason for early sunrise?
Due to refraction.
Due to atmospheric
Are you able to,
refraction.
are you able to see what I'm writing here at the down? Or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just write it down clearly. So if they ask you what is the reason for early sunrise, then in excitement, I have just written maximum use of this page I have made. I would have saved some space for myself. In excitement, I just drawn. I'm loving this. This is really good. So this is like real position, and this is like apparent position. Okay. So early sunrise. Early sunrise. The reason for this early sunrise is, tell me, what is that? Due to
Atmosphere.
atmospheric
Atmospheric refraction.
refraction. Due to atmospheric refraction. Now the difference is like 2 minutes. Okay, this difference is 2 minutes, dear children. Now this is like 6:50. No, 6:50 he's here, but he's looking here. But actually, sunrise happens at what time? 6:52. It happens. Actually, it happens at 6:52. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Yes, sir.
within 2 minutes, this sun will be coming to this position within 2 minutes. But before 2 minutes only, he's being seen here. So that's why there is a difference of 2 minutes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Early. In the Google, if they have mentioned like the sunrise time is like 6:50. What is the actual sunrise time? 6:52. Got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. So that's why there is an early sunrise of. There is an early sunrise of. There is an early sunrise of 2 minutes. There is an early sunrise of 2 minutes. Okay, clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you apply the same logic for delayed sunset? Delayed sunset? Yes, sir. Let me explain you it in brief. Okay, so let me explain it in brief. Now, here we have got Mother Earth. Here is Mother Earth now. Don't say me like you have shifted the Earth, sir. No, Earth won't shift here. Okay, Earth is here, Mother Earth. Okay, now Earth is there. On this Earth, again the boy is standing, and horizon, as usual, the horizon is there. Okay, I don't want to get into too much depth of how refraction happens, how the normal has to be taken. That we can see in 12th class. For 10th standard, you learn this much. Okay, now the horizon is here. Okay, now sunset means sun has gone down the horizon, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? He has gone down the horizon, and this is like west. This direction is like west, and here the boy is standing. Okay, here this boy is standing, and he wants to enjoy the sunset. Okay, now what happens again? This ray of light is coming again, undergoing refraction. It comes like this, no, to this boy. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And how this boy retraces it back? This boy retraces it back through this line here. Now the sun is visible here. Yeah. What happened to this year? So much beautiful colors were coming and everything went now. Where it went? Yeah, 1 second. Change the palette back to default. This will erase all your saved colors. Hey, no, I don't want my colors to be. Yeah. So this is like sun will look here, no? Yeah. Tell me.
Yes.
So now what is this?
Real image position.
Real position.
And this one?
Apparent
Apparent position. Now sun has reached. Sun in the evening 6:50 he has reached here. But where you are able to see the sun? You are able to see the sun here, no? At 6:50.
Yes, sir.
Now actually sun has a set. He has come, but still you are able to see this. And we again after that 2 minutes he will come down. Like that you feel. Is it like delayed or early? Delayed, right?
Delayed, sir.
How many minutes delayed? 2 minutes. Okay. 2 minutes again. Okay, delayed sunset. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the reason for delayed sunset? Everybody knows it now. Okay, what is the reason? Due to atmospheric reflection. Are you enjoying the class, dear children? Are you enjoying the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
All right, fine, dear children. Now, do you want this PDF also after the class? Because we are uploading all those PDFs and all, no? So, do you want the PDF also after the class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. This PDF, where should I send? Should I send it to WhatsApp group so that you can have direct access there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this will come. This is really, yeah. Okay, all right, dear children. Okay, fine. So now look at these things, what and all we have studied. We have started this beautiful chapter of Human and Colorful World. Yes, today also I have sent that copy of statistics. Have you seen in the group?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, that's a good thing, Human and Colorful World. And we have studied about this twinkling of stars. Then we have come to this, what is this? This raising of coin. Raising of coin we have studied. And after that, early sunrise and delayed sunset. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So like that, there are so many phenomenon, and I will keep on learning about these things in the coming classes also. These things will keep on going, and we are very much too much forward. Even 1 hour in a day will suffice, but still we'll keep on doing that. Yes, what do you think? What are the other phenomena due to refraction? Have you seen this pencil? No, when you put it in a glass of water, it I mean, you feel like it is broken. Have you observed that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
why it is happening? It is due to refraction again. Yeah,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yes or no? Now again, you have seen this glass. No, I explained about glass lab in a principal chamber and all. They put one big glass, and in under that they put a timetable and all. Why they put like that? Because they feel like the letters are raised above due to refraction. Yeah, yes or no? So these are all the effects of refraction. That is like, what is that? Pencil in a glass of water. Pencil in a glass of water. Pencil in a glass of water feels like broken. Feels like broken. It's not broken. It is due to those reason and all. I don't want to get into that because those things are not there in our syllabus. But for curiosity, you can just search on YouTube and you can have a feel of that. Next, after that, what else? What I told you? Paper. I mean letters. Letters under a glass slab, under a glass appears to be raised, appears to be raised. And have you seen these big lemons in all these the juice centers and all? They look bigger if they are put up in water.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes or no? In
Yes.
juice centers, okay, in juice centers, in juice centers, lemon inside a glass of water, lemon inside a glass of water, lemon inside a glass of water appears bigger, right? Appears bigger. So like that,
Yes, sir.
etc. So what are the reasons for all these things?
Refraction.
Refraction.
Yeah, so the reason for all these things is refraction. Okay, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, dear children. So I'm going to conclude the class now. I hope you have learned all these things and properly. Should I conclude or should I continue?
Continue, sir.
Continue. No, I'm
Yes,
tired,
sir.
man. I'm tired because of so many classes since
Yes, sir.
morning. So that's why please try to cooperate. Yes, my energy levels won't go down. They won't go down. But if the lunch is a little bit late and all, if so many other unorganized meetings are there, I am a very organized man. I go as per timings and all. But if something goes wrong, the things are like little crazy with me. If lunch is at 4 o'clock or 4:30, I mean all mechanics will change. Yeah. All right, dear children. I hope you guys have enjoyed the class, and this was a very insightful, I feel, and you guys are enjoying all these classes from Kalparuksha classes, and we'll keep on providing all these quality classes for all of you. So keep on attending and keep on learning all these concepts. And our target, do you know our target, dear children? What is our target? What is our target? Tell me.
100 out of 100 in maths.
Yeah.
Sir.
100 out of 100 in mathematics and 100 out of 100 in science. Definitely we are going to achieve this. Yeah. So both in mathematics and science, definitely. I mean, I don't know how many of you are there. Nearly 40 are there. In that, definitely we are going to achieve this. All of you are capable. If you work hard, definitely this is not a, I mean, a far away place. This is very near place for you guys. Okay, dear children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tomorrow morning, you keep on studying about electricity. Don't forget electricity. Yes. So you keep on studying that electricity and keep solving all kinds of question. And if you want any practice questions, you watch my video and just pause the video and do that. And you can get so many questions from your textbook also. In your textbook also, there are so many questions are there. Solve them. Yes. Then last year questions are there. You can solve them. And there are so many MCQs. Did I send the MCQs also? So those MCQs also you say you solve them. If I haven't sent them, just ping me so that I can send them and you can practice. Okay, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
All right then. So all of you take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thanks and bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Sir.
Bye everyone. Bye. Bye everyone.